So please tell us something about your line.
Very excited when Vero Moda came to me and asked me to design this line for them. I was vastly excited, only because I think it's a tremendous brand, and it's a brand that has emerged and is proving its prowess in the fashion zone and in the retail zone as we speak. And I think it gives girls an opportunity to look chic, to look glamorous, to kind of spring up her nightlife with lots of glamour and glitter. So what do I say about it? It's a beautiful line. It has various categories, like you have something that is tremendously all white, something that is just for nightlife, which we call nocturnal, something that is just completely very posh, extremely like chic and upmarket. So we have various lines for various times of the day and various occasions.
So we've always seen you impeccably dressed, and you've previously designed a line in collaboration with Varun Behr.
Right.
But that was a men's line. How did this idea of designing for women come into being?
Well, I've always wanted my women to look beautiful on celluloid, and I've always taken that extra step for all the women that have faced the camera, at least in the films that I've directed, for them to look stunning and beautiful. So I had done a men's line with Varun, and I thought it was about time to venture into this territory. There's nothing like a beautiful woman. There truly is no better visual in this world, and I think clothes do make it the woman as well. And I think that a beautiful garment that fits you right, that makes you feel sensuous, beautiful, elegant, and chic, is always been a perfect imagery for me. So that's something I was dying to create. So when I got this platform and opportunity, I grabbed it literally, because it's something that always kept my creative juices flowing, and here I had a tremendous platform to do just that.
So we've seen beautiful Manish Malhotra creations in most of your movies. If you had to pick a designer from the latest crop, who would it be?
Manish Malhotra is my all-time favorite designer, and that comes bias-free, because I think his evolution as a designer, his tremendous input into the world of fashion, his blending costume designing on celluloid and now mastering the mainstream world has been a tremendous journey. He is my 1 to 10 favorite designer in this country.
And if you had to pick the best dressed in Bollywood, who would that be?
Well, undoubtedly, two people come to my mind. With the men, I think no one dresses more fashionably than Amitabh Bachchan. I think he's timeless, and he is always elegant, and he's always with it, which is what I find amazing about him. And then Sonam Kapoor. I think she kind of pioneers the whole fashion movement, and I think everyone's taken a leaf out of her fashion book and, well, not emulated her sense of style, but definitely got inspired by it.
So are you all set for your movie debut? Is it going to be a fashionable Karan Johar on the silver screen?
Well, it's a period film, so I'm in a period look. I can't speak too much about it because, I'm not authorized to. But it was exciting working with Anurag Kashyap, and yes, the film is very fashionable as well.